Is anyone here? I could use some help.
I'm here, Roland. I'm Susan. How can I help you? You're Roland, a sales agent from Michigan.
How do you know that?
Don't worry about it. How can I help you?
I was hoping you could tell me about what are the main things I need to know about, the Gerber Life Guaranteed Life Insurance Plan.
Sure, I can help you with that. First, Roland, look at your screen.
Hey, wow! There's my home dashboard.
Right. You can find everything you need to know about it in the Gerber Life Agent portal under Guaranteed Life Insurance.
Let's see. The top part says products.
Exactly. That's the area that gives you a description of all the Gerber Life products. And here's...
Right there. Hey, there's Guaranteed Life Insurance.
Right. That'll tell you about Guaranteed Life Insurance. And you see this eye icon? It stands for information.
Eye icon? Where's that?
On the right side.
That's tiny. Does it have to be so small?
Yes, don't ask. Let me blow it up for you so you can see it now.
Oh yeah, okay, that's better.
Right. Anytime you see this icon.
Anytime?
Anytime, Roland. Anytime you can click on it and get more information. Now let me get back to the right screen. See, you'll get an overview of the product here on the left side. And on the other side, you can download materials.
Download materials. Oh, I see. Application kit. Application as PDF. Product brochure.
The product brochure is a great synopsis of the product to leave with the customer.
Product overview. Wait, how's that different from the product brochure?
It's shorter. Just a quick snapshot of the product.
Oh, okay. Rate card.
That's a comprehensive rate table.
And sales alert? What's that?
The sales alert will give you ideas for how to position the product with your clients. It's got all kinds of information to help you learn more about the Guaranteed Life product and has tips for you on how to submit an application.
Oh, okay. I guess I can use some pointers on that.
We've got a whole other video for you on using the portal and another on submitting an application.
Fantastic. So to help me with Guaranteed Life...
That's okay, I haven't forgotten. The Guaranteed Life Insurance product is for your customer interested in making sure their loved ones have enough money to cover final expenses and funeral costs.
Final expenses and funeral costs. So that would be for someone older?
Yes, ages 50 to 80.
Hey, I know funeral expenses alone can be a lot.
Over $10,000 in some instances. And most people ages 50 and older haven't completed a final plan. So you add on medical bills, some debt.
And you've left behind a family who now has to figure out how to pay for all this. For instance, my Uncle Edward just died of a stroke.
I heard about that. I'm so sorry, Roland.
Oh, thank you. He was only 56. He certainly didn't have any final plans. He left behind Aunt Margaret and 4 children. The 3 boys are in college, and...
That's exactly the kind of family the Guaranteed Life plan was made for.
Oh, and my aunt found out the hard way that the Social Security death benefit doesn't pay very much. It was only something like...
$255. It's not much at all.
How much is the Guaranteed Life plan for?
Guaranteed Life can be issued in face amounts from $5,000 to $25,000, or up to $15,000 in South Dakota.
That's certainly a lot better than $255.
I should mention that the Guaranteed Life plan is not available in Montana.
Oh, thank you. My uncle was in good health. No sign of anything wrong at least. But what about someone whose health isn't, so good?
That's one of the best parts about the Guaranteed Life policy. It's guaranteed issue.
Guaranteed issue?
That means there are no health questions asked and there's no medical exam required to get coverage.
That's great.
It's a big selling point. Another is that the policyholder's premiums will never increase.
Premiums never increase? Hey, that's also great.
And as long as the premiums are paid, there's lifetime insurance protection.
Meaning?
Lifetime insurance protection means that no matter what the policyholder's age or what their health is, the benefit will be paid. There's only one thing to keep in mind.
What's that?
In the first 2 years of the policy, there's a graded death benefit.
A graded... how does that work?
A graded death benefit. If death occurs in the policy's first 2 years for any reason other than an accident, in other words, due to an illness, the beneficiary will not get the face value of the policy.
No?
He or she will get all premiums paid in, plus 10% interest.
Okay, and if it's an accident?
If it's an accident within those first 2 years, though, the full face value of the policy will be paid.
Okay.
So, given what I've told you about the Guaranteed Life policy, who might you try to sell it to?
I guess anyone between 50 and 80.
Right. And?
People who want to make sure their loved ones can pay for funeral expenses?
Good. And?
People who are looking for guaranteed acceptance. Maybe their health isn't perfect.
Right. And people who want affordable premiums. And what else?
An easy application, I hope?
That's right.
Hey, that describes, just about everyone.
Right.
You said premiums never increase, right?
Right.
Never?
No, never. As long as premiums are paid.
Oh, naturally.
Let's talk a little bit about how premiums work.
Sure.
You can see on the bottom of the rate card.
Where?
Bottom of the page. Here, I'll blow that up too.
That's better.
Good. So clients can pay their premiums how they'd like.
How they'd like.
Frequency of payments. Some might want to pay annually or all at once each year. Others might want to pay semi-annually or twice per year. Others might prefer to pay quarterly or monthly. So the client gets to pay their premium in the way that makes sense for them and their budget.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Also, they can get a discount.
A discount? How's that work?
If they set up their premiums to come automatically out of their checking account, that's called ACH or automated checking, they can save as much as 8% over paying by direct bill, Visa, MasterCard, or debit card.
8%? That's a great selling point.
Absolutely. So there you have it. That's the gist of the Guaranteed Life Insurance Plan.
Great. That wasn't difficult.
Of course not, Roland. When you get a moment, why don't you read the rest of the materials to find out more?
Okay, well, this was terrific.
My pleasure. That's what I'm here for.
Oh, well, thanks.